Good day, sir. Our topic is all about data cleaning and processing in Excel. Our goal is learn how to handle dirty data, the most time-consuming part of the analysis job. Then first is copy this with the dirty data. Then paste. Then go to the Excel exercise. Then copy I mean, standardize text. Then create a clean name column. Use the proper trim function to fix capitalization and remove accidental extra spaces. Then the formula, the proper trim. Then copy the formula and go to the Excel website. Then type name, clean name column. Then the formula, copy, then paste, enter. Then drop down. So nakita nato dira na naplastar na gid ang pangalan ang clean name. Then as you can see makita ra nato ang formula sa taas. Then let's proceed to the handling missing data. So create an email, check columns to flag missing contact info. Then email, I'll check. So copy the formula, then go to the email check and paste. Drag down. So as you can see, si Jane Smith, ang missing email ay wala iya ha. So, proceed sa standardizing categories or listed if or IFS. Create a clean status. Type clean status. Okay. Lagay ko lang column. Then copy the formula. Complete. Drag down and so mao na siya ang final output sa standardizing categories. So proceed ta sa text to columns data processing or highlight your full name column to go to data, text to columns, choose delimate, check space and split the names into first name and last name columns. Then right click to insert row. One column left. So para siya ma-extend og isa ka column, then split. Split text to column, then apply. So wala man siya nakabutang last name. So na-split name na nato, so pulihan nato og first name and last name. First name, then last name. So next is proceed tayo sa removing duplicates. Our goal is to ensure your data set does not count the same transaction or customer twice. So exercises is copy a few rows of your mock data and paste them at the bottom, so you have intentionally duplicates, highlights. Ganyan. So, mag-highlight sa tag mga few rows. Then, copy sa bottom. Copy. And highlight the entire table to go to data, removing duplicates, and ensure all columns boxes are checked. Click OK to then click remove duplicates. Then select all and OK. So as you can see, nakita diha na duha. So then okay. So nawala na siya. Wala na siya. So nawala na siya, wala na siya duplicate. Then proceed tayo sa last is data join with VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. So our goal here is learn how to connect data from two different tables or a critical skills in analytics. Exercise is to create a second sheet called pricing. Pricing. So, rename pricing and enter. Pricing. Then add two columns or product name and standard cost. Product name and standard cost. Enter. Then sheet 1 and copy the product name. Then go to pricing. Paste. Then 100, 550, 40, and 200. Then use uh, create, back on your main sheet, create a cost column, cost column, then use VLOOKUP and automatically pull the cost from the pricing sheet based on the product name. Then copy the formula. Then go to the Excel and paste. So as you can see, in A siya, kay naa siya sa C2 kay ang C2 man kay naa siya sa email column. Para makuha nato ang result, then need nato change siya E2 kay product name man siya. So then, enter. Then nakita na siya ang cost is that ang 200. Then drag down. Then mo na siya. Ang sa pricing cost, standard cost is makita na siya diri sa cost sa sheet 1. That's all. And that's all. Thank you for listening.